Did you know that 100 brave American pilots secretly saved China months before America even joined World War II? These heroes were called the Flying Tigers. Led by Claire Chennault, they quit their military jobs and pretended to be farm workers to sneak into China. Their mission was dangerous but vital: defend China from Japanese attacks. The odds were terrible. They flew old P-40 Warhawk planes against faster Japanese Zeros. They were outnumbered 10 to 1. Most people thought they would fail quickly, but these pilots were brilliant fighters. They created new hit-and-run tactics using their plane's diving speed. They would dive down fast, attack, then escape before the enemy could fight back. The results were incredible. In just 7 months, they shot down 299 Japanese planes while losing only 14 pilots. They protected Chinese cities and saved countless lives. Their planes had fierce shark teeth painted on the nose, becoming symbols of courage across the world. These brave volunteers kept China fighting until Pearl Harbor brought America fully into the war.